Hi, my name is Anna. I'm a traveling science show presenter at the Franklin Institute. As we've been getting ready for our Summer of the Moon, I've had to learn a lot about rockets and outer space and, of course, the moon. I wanted to show you today one of my favorite things that I've gotten to learn. This is called Kaowool. It might not look like much, but this is part of the insulation system on rockets to protect them from heat on re-entry. It's made out of a very pure clay. And what they do is they pull it into long, thin fibers. So up here with me, I have some play clay that I made into these little ropes. If I mat them together, so kind of smush and tangle and make a mess of them and flatten them out, I end up with something that looks like this. And that doesn't look impressive, but what's cool is there are these little holes. And there's these tiny, tiny holes in between the matted fibers of the Kaowool. In fact, it's such a good insulator that I can hold it in my bare hand and put a blowtorch on it. Don't try this out. I cannot feel the heat of the blowtorch on my hands. The air pockets inside the Kaowool are trapping all of the heat. That doesn't mean that the side with the blowtorch on it, though, isn't getting hot. I have some flash paper here with me, which is a special, extra flammable kind of paper. If I go ahead and pop it on top, it should light. Woo! Thanks for doing science with me today.